Hey guys, what if I told you the world's first truly human-capable robot is here? And it's gotten way more powerful, way smarter, and way more golden. Tesla's Optimus Gen 4. Features and specialities. Yep, that's Tesla's brand new Optimus Gen 4 human-capable robot, and honestly, this thing looks pretty cool and futuristic. So, we're going to break down what makes Optimus Gen 4 a game-changer for the future, and why Tesla is investing so much in this robot, and just how fast it's planning to build the entire thing. But before any of that, hit that subscribe button if you would like to stay up to date with the latest technology. Alright guys, back to the golden robot. A robot that's more than just a pretty face. For years, we've seen Optimus in white, silver, and black, and in your typical lab bot colors. But with this bot, Tesla went full golden armor, and it's not just for fashion. The Tesla Optimus Gen 4 is covered in an ultra-light aluminium alloy with a density of just 2.7 grams per cubic centimeter, which makes it at least 3 times lighter than steel. This single change took 10 kilograms off the robot's total weight, which is pretty amazing, right? Unless you don't know why robot companies prefer lighter robots. So, in robotics, less weight means quicker movements, lower power use, longer battery life, and way smoother human-like motion. And anyone who knows Tesla knows that it continues to grow. On top of Optimus Gen 4's metallic shell, there's a heat-resistant composite coating rated over 200 degrees Celsius. Its surface is pretty hard too, around 7 hours and 25% higher impact resistance than Tesla's standard robots. So yeah, you could say this one's special. It's stronger, lighter, and safer to use. And so far, we've all heard that many companies are planning to use robots in the types of places where humans aren't safe to work. In fact, many companies have started the use of robotics in such workplaces as well. Imagine a robot walking into such a factory surrounded by hot machinery and sharp surfaces. Tesla's new golden shell will be a game changer against scratches, heat, dust, and even accidental bumps. But you see, there's another layer to this. Tesla didn't just put its hand on a random color. They chose gold. And gold stands out. It catches the eye in a factory full of moving parts. It makes them stand out and be visible, easier to notice in a workplace. And more importantly, it gives Optimus a personality of its own. I think we can all agree that Tesla's trying for Optimus to look approachable, not scary. I mean, think about all the robot movies you've watched so far, Terminator, Megan. They all look threatening. But Elon Musk knows one thing better than anybody. Design changes psychology, and psychology shapes acceptance. And acceptance drives mass adoption. So, Optimus Gen 4 isn't just built to work like regular bots. It's made to win human trust. Upgrades. Let's talk about some upgrades here. Tesla has added 8 cameras to Optimus Gen 4's new head. It gives the robot a full new dimension of vision, which is pretty impressive. This thing can now track multiple tasks at once, see depth much better, understand its surroundings with more clarity, monitor its own hands, and recognize humans faster than before. So, the addition of 8 cameras also means there will be low risks of making errors, which matters especially when a 5'8" robot is working alongside you or carrying huge objects. That's how Tesla built this autopilot vision system, but for its bot. And with this better vision comes better intelligence. They've integrated xAI's Grok, which lets Optimus Gen 4 understand spoken commands, respond to natural voice, explain its tasks, ask questions if unsure or uncertain, give suggestions and ideas, and adapt to human behavior as well. This is huge, guys. If we talk about earlier Optimus versions, they were all about mobility. This one just got way smarter. And this thing is starting to feel a little too human. Human-like hands. When it comes to literally one of the hardest challenges in robotics, it's the human hand. Most robots either have 2 stiff claws or simple pinches, which leads to major mess-ups. But Optimus Gen 4 now comes with far more human-like hands. It now has better finger control, a strong grip, flexible joints, and finer manipulation skills. So it can handle day-to-day and detailed tasks like picking up a coin, folding your clothes, and organizing tools without any errors. This just made Optimus Prime. But yeah, jokes aside, this thing has become a true general-purpose robot. A robot that can walk, see, think, and use its limbs just like a human. That means the world's changing. Now you might be wondering, how much does this thing cost? But before we dive into its mind-blowing cost, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button because this is the stuff you really don't want to miss out on. So, how much does Optimus Gen 4 cost? Recently, Salesforce CEO Mark Benioff got a private live demo from Tesla, and in that clip, he revealed that the robot costs $500,000. Yep, that's $500,000. But that's not even its official price because showing that number publicly was a strategic move by Tesla, and here's why. In the business world, when you set the price of a product super high, it usually leads to higher expectations and exclusivity. If we look in the past, Tesla launched the Roadster before the Model 3, and now Optimus is following the premium first playbook. This starting high validates demands, proves capability, and then it leads to scaling down the cost. Tesla wants to position Optimus as a real commercial product in the market, not just a prototype locked inside a lab. A $500,000 price tag screams to the world that this ain't a toy, it's a real thing. Whether it's factories, hospitals, warehouses, or enterprise clients, they can afford high-priced automation. And in the future, it's a good investment once you adopt it. Production scales, costs fall, and eventually Optimus takes care of your normal household chores. The creator himself said that he wants Optimus to become Tesla's most important product ever, and honestly, he might be right about it. Tesla has signaled its confidence. A robot that talks, walks, and works, priced at $500,000? That's certain. And Tesla wants the entire tech world to know that Optimus is all set for real-world jobs. The importance of mass production. Let's now discuss the importance of mass production. And this part is massive. Optimus won't change the world just because it's cool, but because Tesla plans its mass production. Yes, we're not talking about 100 robots here. We're talking mass production in 10,000 to 20,000 units. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is just the early rollout. Phase 1 for Tesla's own factories and selective partners. Phase 2 is where the real game begins. It's going to take probably 3 to 4 years before Tesla starts selling 100,000 units per year. In Phase 3, the robots would probably be used as normal tools in the global industry, with 500,000 units produced per year. Now, lastly, Phase 4, the explosion. The moment when humanoid robots go mainstream, just like smartphones did a decade ago. During this phase, Tesla will be producing 1 million units per year. So yeah, that was Tesla's production plan, and the beating heart of all this? Gigafactory Texas. This is where Tesla already produces its previous models, including Model Y, Cybertruck, and 4680 batteries. Now, it's preparing to produce Optimus Gen 4 at an industrial level. It won't be wrong to say that Tesla is just different from other companies. It has what others lack, including massive factories, advanced tools and tech, battery production, gigapress manufacturing, top AI teams in the world, and lastly, a heck lot of experience. That's why Tesla can aim for robot production numbers no competitor could ever dream about. But the wild part is this. In the future, robots will help build robots. Elon Musk has been talking about this for years now. With Optimus Gen 4 entering factories, Tesla can create a closed-loop system where robots assemble each other, and maybe even the next generation of robots. This will be the technical breeding system, and that's when costs will drop faster than anybody's expectations. Optimus Gen 4 is the true turning point for humanity right now. Right now, we're witnessing the birth of something humanity has dreamt of for years and even centuries. A human-capable robot that can work efficiently and is willing to learn, interacting like just any other person. So, it checks all the boxes, including human-like movement, hands, awareness, and communication. Therefore, if you still say, wow, after watching those weird robot dogs dancing on YouTube, you really needed this information. This is a top-notch machine designed to step into human roles safely and intelligently. In factories, you'd be witnessing robots doing the heavy and repetitive work and even taking on dangerous tasks. In hospitals, robots will be carrying supplies, doing surgeries, and even guiding patients. At home, you know the drill. They'll be doing your house chores like cooking, cleaning, carrying your groceries, and many other things. So, Optimus can be a worker, assistant, and caregiver, depending on its user. The Gen 4 upgrade just proved that Tesla is getting serious regarding robotics, and they're preparing to change the entire future. Bigger vision. There's a bigger vision behind this robot, guys. Elon Musk believes the humanoid robot market could one day get bigger than the car market. At first, it might sound wild and a little stupid, but hey, when you think about it, it starts to make sense. Cars help you move, and in the case of robots, they might help us all live. If Tesla makes an error-free and human-friendly robot that's affordable and truly useful, why wouldn't anyone want them inside their homes? A robot like Optimus could handle everything you hand it. Basically, it's going to become a second set of hands for you. That's available 24/7. And as Tesla scales this production, its price will drop massively. First $100,000, then $50,000, then maybe, just maybe $20,000. And when that happens, robots will be the next smartphones, a normal thing, a common thing, and an everyday thing. So yeah, Tesla's Optimus Gen 4 is one of those milestones we'll look back on and say, that's when everything changed. Its new 8-camera upgrade, golden shelter, human-like hands, stronger AI, and mass production plan all show that Tesla's ready and serious about building robots for the real world. With its production ramping toward thousands and eventually millions, the idea of a robot in everyday homes has now made it outside of your sci-fi fantasies. So, get ready for a brand new future with Tesla. And if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech deep dives.